Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to change Google Photo language. Okay, let's start. First of all, click on Google Photo. Now tap on profile icon. Now tap on Google account. Scroll down. Now tap on search Google account. Now type language. Now tap on language. Now tap on pen icon and search for your language. Okay, now back your home screen and go to your phone setting and follow my step. Scroll down. Now click on General Management and click on Language. Now change your language for your device. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.